చెప్తాను.
My name is Bobili Nischala. For Inspire project, I done this project. Home appliances control system based on the Android. Description of the project. The user can control home appliances using Android mobile. An Android application should be installed on her Android mobile handset to control various home appliances. The user can send commands using that application. This project consists of a Bluetooth receiver. This Bluetooth device is connected to the circuit which has a decoder. This decoder sends a code for the respective command sent by the user. Applications and advantages of home appliances controlling using Android. Home automation. This project can be used to control various home appliances. We can control device from a long distance, thus it gives ease of access. Home appliances controlling using mobile is having a faster operation and is very efficient. No need to carry separate remote or any other controlling unit. Our project controls electrical loads by making use of an Android application. The proposed system is used to control electrical loads based on the Bluetooth input signal received from the Android device. It becomes difficult to keep operating electrical switches manually each time by elderly and handicapped people. This system solves the issue by interfacing a unit with home appliances that switches these loads based on the input received from Android device. The Android device may be in any Android based phone or tab having an Android OS. The app also provided an efficient GUI for providing this functionality. An 8051 microcontroller is used in this system. The Bluetooth receiver is